From the KATC Weather Lab, here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, the heat stays on this weekend, but we do have change on the way, and that is the good news as we head into next week. Some October-like temperatures. They won't last, but it looks like we're going to squeeze out a nice week next week, and it looks like the nice weather continues into the following weekend as well. So let's take a look at the big picture across much of the U.S. We have this upper-level low that is picking up Fiona and slinging it toward the Canadian Maritimes. More on that in just a bit. This next upper-level low, this is the trough that's going to be digging down to the southeast U.S. That's going to ensure our nice weather, but also steer any potential tropical system more to the northwest, to the north, and then maybe northeast as it gets into the Gulf of Mexico. So right now, this ridge of high pressure continues to dominate. We got into the mid-90s this afternoon. We got more of the same tomorrow and Sunday as well. Could see an isolated shower come Sunday. We'll get to that in just a bit. First off, though, let's open it on up. It's quiet close to home, so let's look at the tropics. And new today, we have Tropical Depression number 9 upgraded today. Tropical Depression number 10, which is now Tropical Storm Hermine. So that means this is going to be Ian, this system that once it becomes a tropical storm, more in a bit. Farther to the south and east, we do have another area of disturbed weather, Gaston in the North Atlantic, and Fiona moving into the North Atlantic, but still a major hurricane. Meanwhile, we'll be watching this system as this is going to have big impacts in the U.S., especially Florida, down the line. So get up to Fiona here. You can see it's been really making some tracks today, approaching the southeastern portions of, or the eastern portions of Nova Scotia and Newfoundland. 125 mile per hour winds, should have over 100 mile an hour winds, even though it may transition to a non-tropical system. This is going to be trouble for portions of Canada, or they call it the Atlantic Canada, or Canada Atlantic, or the Canadian Maritimes, any way you slice it. Probably a once in a generational type storm up here, and this is what happens during a warming climate. We see these tropical systems much farther to the north and impacting areas that don't get often impacted by storms. Meanwhile, back to the south we go. We have Tropical Depression number 8, still wind shear over it. The center of circulation is right here on the eastern side of the deep convection, so this is still a tropical depression with 35 mile per hour winds. Tropical storm warning has been issued for Jamaica. Hurricane watch for the Cayman Islands. So as we go through time, the National Hurricane Center thinking this is going to develop and may have a couple of rapid intensification cycles. At least a Category 1 storm going over Cuba, Category 2, 3, or higher as this approaches Florida down the line. What's going to happen? Well, TD9 is going to go over some very warm water. Not only warm water, but the water depth is very, very deep. 500 feet down, you have those 80-degree temperatures, and this is what's called tropical cyclone heat potential. It's very high in this area, so that high oceanic heat content could allow for some rapid intensifications and a much stronger storm than is forecast for right now. So we'll see how it goes in the future. European model closest to the forecast track of developing this system once it gets near Jamaica. Then it goes through the Cayman Islands. Then we head into Cuba early Tuesday, Havana getting effects, then the Keys as we head into Tuesday night, and going into Wednesday, Fort Myers, Tampa, even Orlando is going to get some weather, and maybe the Space Center at Kennedy, and they're going to have to wheel back in that Artemis rocket that's out on the launch pad. So we'll see how that plays out. Bottom line, rough weather for Florida. For us, we are looking good. Quiet overnight tonight. Temperatures get down into the mid-70s. Tomorrow, another mostly sunny day, a few more clouds, maybe an isolated shower, primarily coastal parishes, but we'll go 5 to 10% on your rain chances tomorrow. And then getting into Sunday, here comes that frontal boundary, a few spotty showers or a thunder shower, and then that front working its way on through as we head through the early morning hours of Monday. Back to sunny skies. We may still get into the 90s Monday afternoon, but much more pleasant weather will be moving on in. So overnight tonight, 73, 74 the low. Not feeling like fall yet. Give us another 3 or 4 days. days. Then for tomorrow, we'll project 95 for your high with mostly sunny skies. An isolated afternoon shower, no better than 5 or 10% for tomorrow. As we move into the 10-day forecast, here comes the good stuff. Beyond Monday, highs getting back down into the low to mid 80s, overnight lows upper 50s to lower 60s. It warms up for next weekend, but boy, we have a lot of sunshine in that 10-day forecast, and that is the good news. That's it for weather for right now. We're going to have more coming up right after the break.